The world is cruel, sadistic, and it's full of cynics. And for a minute, I'll admit it, I was caught up in it. Hear the strings right behind me, that's a symphony. Hear the music in my heart, that's a melody. I was thinking to myself, hold up. Thinking to myself, wait a minute, man, I'm feeling free. I can love without limits, just imagine that. I can race until the finish, just imagine that. I can wake up, touch the sky, you can see it in my eyes. I'm addicted to this life and I'm gonna fly. And I'm gonna fly. I'm addicted to this life and I'm gonna fly. I was lost all alone, on my own but not my own. I was someone else inside. Tell me what you think about everything that you want from life, but will not find. It's never the same as it was when we started first. Welcome to this planet, I like to call it Earth. I've been taking time to see what it's really worth, but I could be so random, yeah, you heard it first. See, I've been thinking, but I don't conversate. I just keep it in my mind when I contemplate. If you love me so much, then why'd you let me go? I don't need an answer, just wanted you to know. I can love without limits, just imagine that. I can race until the finish, just imagine that. I can wake up, touch the sky, you can see it in my eyes. I'm addicted to this life and I'm gonna fly. And I'm gonna fly. I'm addicted to this life and I'm gonna fly. I was lost all alone, on my own but not my own. I was someone else inside. Tell me what you think about everything that you want from life, but will not find. Why we talking late night when it's never day? Why we pick a destination when we never stay? Gonna run away? Well, what you planning on? Singing, got your hammer on. Build a foundation, but what you standing on? Think it's salvation? Who you scamming on? If you love me so much, then why'd you let me go? I don't need an answer, just wanted you to know. Do you ever feel embarrassed just a little, do you? Have you ever let the fear and guilt start to ruin you? I'll be honest, I've been thinking to myself, I'm a danger to the world when I'm ashamed of myself. Hear the strings right behind me, that's a symphony. Hear the music in my heart, that's a melody. I was thinking to myself, hold up. Thinking to myself, wait a minute, man, I'm feeling free. I can love without limits, just imagine that. I can race until the finish, just imagine that. I can wake up, touch the sky, you can see it in my eyes. I'm addicted to this life and I'm gonna fly. And I'm gonna fly. I'm addicted to this life and I'm gonna fly. Tell me, is your heart broken? Can you feel the pain? Are you the definition of another dream delayed? Yes, I am. I don't wanna be a critic, but it's hard to understand. I was in the depths of hell, but I could see a master plan. Held in your arms when I could barely even stand. I was never much of a planner, just illusions of grandeur.
Are you one of a kind? Hey. Are you one of a kind? Tell me, hey. Are you one of a kind? Hey. Are you one of a kind? Tell me, hey.
I'm on my Kevin McAllister, I'm home alone. On a roll, but I've never been a rolling stone. On the path to life, you gotta pay the toll. So I paid it up and now I'm about to hit the road. I laid it up, call that move a finger roll. I saved it up, call that move a bankroll. I was persistent, call that movie won't take no. Saw it from a distance, call that move a telescope. The enemy and inner peace are fighting for control. They're both the same, but they're both at war and won't let go. Talk to myself a lot, yeah I know. Are you talking to me? Do I detect a tone? You're in my bubble, dude, you're in my zone. If I can smell your breath, that's your cue that you're too close. You like Fatal Attraction, you're like Glenn Close. It's nice chatting with myself, but now it's time to go. Kind? Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Are you one of a kind? Oh, 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 oh. Tell me, what do you find? Are you one of a kind? Are you one of a kind? Tell me what you find. Tell me if it's on your mind one time, like. Tell me if it's on your mind one time, like.
Are you one of a kind? Hey. Are you one of a kind? Tell me, hey. Are you one of a kind? Hey, are you one of a kind? Tell me, hey.
When it comes to breaking free from the guidelines, I don't know if there's ever really a right time. A lyrical genius, you can call me Einstein. Put some shekels in my pocket, call me Feinstein. I'm a monster on the beat, call me Frankenstein. Spend my time off my feet, call it hang time. Try to figure out life for a lifetime. Hey Regis, I think I'll use my lifeline. I found the spotlight exactly at the right time. So if you're sleeping on me, save it for the nighttime. If you're waiting on me, readjust your timeline. And if you're hating on me, love and hate's a fine line. If you like the bar, pause it and rewind. Play it back and tell your friends what you find. I'd never promise that I'm one of a kind, but these were my thoughts, they were weighing on my mind.
Are you one of a kind?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you one of a kind? Oh, 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 oh. Tell me, what do you find? Are you one of a kind?
Are you one of a kind? Tell me what you find. Tell me if it's on your mind one time, like. Tell me if it's on your mind one time, like.
Are you one of a kind? Hey, are you one of a kind? Tell me, hey. Are you one of a kind? Hey, are you one of a kind? Tell me, hey.